Good morning everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 9th of June. RBNZ holds its fire, Kiwi surged. The Kiwi dollar surged overnight after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand kept its benchmark interest rate unchanged at 2.25%, surprising some market participants who were looking for a rate cut at this meeting. Officials signaled that the short-term inflation expectations seem to have stabilized, but reiterated that further easing may be required for inflation to settle in the middle of the bank's target range. They highlighted that the nation's elevated housing prices are adding to financial stability concerns. We believe that this was the main obstacle for the bank to ease again at this meeting, as something like that could inflate house prices even further. What we found interesting was Governor Wheeler's press conference, where he said that the bank is studying macroprudential rules aimed at curbing housing prices and that this can be put into effect before year end. In our view, this reinforces the case for the RBNZ to cut rates at its upcoming meetings, if indeed such measures are introduced. Therefore, we will continue to look for additional easing of policy, perhaps as early as the August meeting, but that decision will likely depend on the second quarter CPI print and the updated two-year inflation expectations due out on the 17th of July and the 2nd of August, respectively. Until then, New Zealand dollar US dollar could maintain positive momentum, especially if the probability for a July hike by the Fed drops even further and the dollar stays under selling interest. As for today, from the UK we get April's trade balance, and from the US we have initial jobless claims for the week ended on the 3rd of June. In Canada, the Bank of Canada will release its semi-annual financial system review, which deals with the main risks to financial stability. The report is expected to focus on rising household debt following the latest Bank of Canada policy statement, indicating that household vulnerabilities have moved higher. The recent wildfires in Alberta and their impact on the nation's oil production may be among the topics of discussion too, but the bank has already noted that it considers the situation to be just a transitory shock. Therefore, we expect any reaction in the Canadian dollar to depend on how the bank presents these risks and what impact they are expected to have on the Canadian economy. Following the release, Bank of Canada Governor Poloz will hold a press conference to present the report. Besides Bank of Canada Governor Poloz, ECB President Mario Draghi speaks today as well. We expect any comments on monetary policy by the ECB chief to be in line with last week's ECB press conference and confirm that the bank is likely to remain sidelined for a while. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.